The shoebill, which sometimes sounds like a machine gun, has a very interesting fishing technique that allows it to catch even small crocodiles if they are unlucky. The shoebill will stand still and stare into the water, sometimes for more than half an hour. As soon as it sees its prey, it plunges its head down, beak first, and kills its prey with it. But because the beak is very heavy compared to the rest of the body, it has to rip its head back and hold it up while using its wings to prevent a fall. All this takes less than a second. And because of the procedure, the shoebill doesn't get a second chance. If it fails, it has to wait again. By the way, the largest fish a shoebill has hunted that we know of was 99 centimeters long, and as I said at the beginning, it sometimes even hunts small crocodiles when they swim by.